halimbawa si Apostle Pablo na found comfort and strength in God's grace despite of trials. So, kaya nga sinasabi niya, my grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. So yan ang sinasabi sa 2 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 9. And he said unto me, my grace is sufficient for thee, for my strength is made perfect in weakness. Most gladly therefore will be rather glory in my infirmities, that the power of Christ may rest upon me. Yan ang sinasabi sa Biblia according to Apostle Pablo. This verse emphasizes that God's grace is enough to sustain us, and that His power is most evident when we are weak. It encourages relying on God rather than on our own strength. So yan ang sinasabi